What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Monday, June 26th. In today's video, we're going to be covering some Ethereum NFTs, but specifically PFP projects that are underneath to Ethereum. Now, the reason we're going to cover these projects is because to Ethereum, in my perspective for these collections, could possibly be undervalued. So we have to explore what value they bring to their community and why holding one of these NFTs or more could be beneficial for you. Again, to Ethereum is around almost 4,000 US dollars, give or take, depending on Ethereum's price. So again, we're going to research all these projects. I'm going to share with you my opinion. And again, everything in this video is just entertainment and not financial advice. So with that said, let's not waste any time. Be sure to like that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page. And most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. Let's talk about the very first collection. And that collection is called Clone X. Now, Clone X is a PFP collection that actually recently had a partnership with Nike. Yes, the official sneaker brand that is the largest within the world. Now, with the sneaker brand, what is that all about? But before we even get into that, we got to talk about its PFP design. Now, a lot of it is 3D artworks, and they do have their own aesthetics, definitely their own tone and feel. But recently they did some updates with this artwork, this PFP project, and that is this. Now they have dynamic profiles. So basically you can animate your own PFP and it actually has movement. It's not just some stagnant image. And people have been sharing this all over Twitter, showing of their PFP Clone X walking into the screen and walking off. And as you can see here, people have their own designs and it's completely integrated, which I think is absolutely really cool. So that's just one thing I want to share with you. But what else is going on? Well, this project actually partnered up with CAA, also known as the Creative Artists Agency here in Los Angeles. Now, CAA is the largest talent agency out there. They represent directors, artists, filmmakers, whatever you can imagine in the art world. CAA is the most prestigious in the world. And so right now we're seeing a big, large agency work with an NFT collection to bring at the forefront the best partnerships, the best networking capabilities, and also the greatest connections to expand the growth of this NFT collection. I think that's absolutely a great steal. And this actually has to follow up with Nike, because we do know back on April 22nd, 2023, this was announced that this collection was going to be partnering up with Nike to create the new Air Force One. Now, this custom designs, we've had seen some people like LeBron James or DJ Khaled representing some of these shoe designs. So this is actually really cool to see that this is actually being put into fruition. But again, Nike is a huge brand. Their sneakers are huge collectibles within Sneakerheadville. So I think that if you want to see utilization and utility being delivered to their holders, then this is absolutely one of the best steals in my opinion for underneath to Ethereum. So that is definitely one of the collections I want to mention, and that is Clone X, right now at around 1.9 Ethereum. What a great steal. Now let's talk about the second collection, and that collection is called Doodles, hovering right now around 1.69 Ethereum. Again, this OG project has been around for a while, and also its 2D artwork is actually kind of kid-friendly, family-friendly, and it actually has this humble appeal to it. Now, what happened recently? Well, this was announced on June 13th. Now, Pharrell, who is a musician, also a singer and artist within the music industry world, great musician in my perspective, great artist. Now, he partnered up with Doodles to create these amazing packs, these things to be sent out to holders. Now, what is in this pack? What have people been receiving? Well, here's a great example. This person named Snacks did realize that when his package did arrive, it had a few different things. It had sneakers, a bag, a hat. You're not only getting the NFT, but you're getting in real life products. They even came with shoelaces here. But this is in partnership with Pharrell, Doodles, BBC Ice Cream, and Adidas. How cool is that? So again, I want to share that with you because again, for a really dirt cheap price of around 1.6 Ethereum, again, what does a dirt cheap price mean? The cheapest is around $3,122. So it's not exactly cheap, but considering that this is one of many blue chip projects just like Clone X that's on the market right now, who knows how far this can go. So I think that this is undervalued at the very moment, but I don't know where the floor price could be because again, they have to deliver more products. But I want to share that with you because Doodle is something that's on my radar. So what's the third NFT collection that's underneath to Ethereum? And that's definitely going to have to be Invisible Friends. This community, super large. Total trading volume is around 54,000 Ethereum. That's a lot of multi-millions of dollars, I think, in my opinion, and with 1.03 Ethereum floor price. So it's definitely underneath 2 Ethereum. You can actually buy 2 of these NFTs for 2 Ethereum. So right now I'm seeing some really cool NFTs on the market floor right now, really great trades. It's a movement type image. It has no sound, but it definitely has this nice appealing look to it. But what's going on with them? If you buy one of these NFTs, then you're guaranteed a whitelist to participate in the Garbage Friends NFT collection that hasn't minted yet. Now this is a little complex because there's a lot of applying to enroll as a student type narrative and being a part of a university, and there are stages to this to get to your Garbage Friend. But either way, you get the NFT of Invisible Friends for underneath 2 Ethereum, and you get whitelisted guaranteed for this project as well. So I just want to share that with you for 1.03 Ethereum. Not a bad deal in my opinion. You have to follow their Twitter page because again, their community is super strong. 502,000 followers. That just goes to show you how many people are following this project. And again, it's super active, super in touch, and I just wouldn't sleep on this project at all. So that is the 4th collection. Let's talk about the very last NFT collection on Ethereum that's underneath 2 Ethereum. Now that's going to be Utes. Now Utes is actually on the Polygon network, as you can see here, but is selling for 1.93 Ethereum. So you would actually have to transfer your Ethereum and send it over to Polygon mainnet or /network. Now, when you do send that Ethereum over, it could be considered wrapped Ethereum. So if you're looking for Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet extension browser you do use, you may see it as a wrapped Ethereum, but that's what you can use to pay for these specific NFTs. And it's good that it's not being bought or sold on Matic token because we do know that the Matic token has dropped in price significantly, especially given the SEC lawsuit that's going on with delisting the tokens of Solana, Matic, and Cardano. And this is with Binance, Robinhood, and Coinbase. But either way, these NFTs are priced within Ethereum, which held its price really well. Now for 1.93 Ethereum, your cost basis for each NFT would be around $3,558. So again, not cheap, but again, this project is going to be announcing season 2. Now what is season 2 all about? Now, season 2 is the next season for Utes NFT collection. Now, it's speculative right now that it could be upgraded artwork. It could be artificial intelligence incorporated within this collection because we do know Frank from the DeGods community, who also created this collection, is starting to get in touch with ChatGPT and AI, and maybe there's going to be some integration there with these collections. But you can stake your NFTs to earn yourself Ute points, and right now, nobody has been able to guess what the Ute points are being used for. So again, the fact that the whole community, which is very large, cannot guess what those Ute points are going to be used for, that just goes to show that Frank has always been really innovative in the space. He's also developed a lot of different technologies, from DID, which is a platform where you, once you buy your NFT, you connect your wallet to that website and these Twitter accounts will follow you. But also the UI and UX for staking your NFTs to earn yourself Ute points without your NFT leaving your wallet, which is great because if your NFT leaves your wallet, there's a possible chance it could be stolen or hacked. And many other different things within this community is absolutely great. So in my opinion, this blue chip isn't going anywhere. 1.9 Ethereum, could it dip after the Ute announcement? Yeah, possibly, but also it could possibly moon. And this could be considered absolutely undervalued because I think that this NFT collection can fetch from 10 Ethereum, even all the way up to 50 Ethereum once the year goes by. That's just my perspective. Again, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Guys, as a conclusion and statement, these are my NFT collections, my top 4 that are underneath 2 Ethereum. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, both on YouTube and Twitter, what you think of each one of these NFT collections. If you were to pick one of these NFT collections out of the 4, which one would it be for 2 Ethereum? Would you buy Invisible Friends, where you could buy 2 of those NFTs, or would you buy CloneX to get connected to the sneaker wear? Or you're going to join Doodles, where you can get airdropped these amazing packages that will literally arrive in real life to your doorstep? Or is it going to be part of the Utes community, where you can be at the forefront of one of the top collections on the Polygon and Ethereum network? So with that said, let me know your thoughts down below. I cannot wait to read them. So be sure to like that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page, and we'll see you guys and girls next time.